In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the transaction history in Xero. This might seem like a simple task, but understanding the process thoroughly can make managing your accounting much smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a small business owner or someone helping to manage the finances, having quick access to your transaction history is crucial for keeping track of your financial activities. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Xero dashboard. Logging into Xero brings you to this hub, which serves as the central point for managing every aspect of your financial information. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. The dashboard displays a summary of key financial metrics, but today we're focusing specifically on locating and viewing transaction details. Next, look for the Accounting tab at the top of the screen. This section is vital because it acts as a gateway to more detailed data about your finances. Clicking on Accounting reveals a menu with multiple options that help you delve deeper into specific financial reports and analyses. After you click on Accounting, you'll see an option labeled History and Notes. Go ahead and click on it. This function is dedicated to providing you with a detailed chronicle of your transactions, serving as a digital ledger that records various financial entries. It's a powerful tool for both reconciliation and reporting, giving you a clear picture of your financial history. For those who might be new to Xero, or even to accounting in general, let's talk a little bit about what you'd expect to find here and why it's so useful. The History and Notes section displays a comprehensive list of your past transactions. Each entry will include details such as transaction dates, amounts, and any notes that were added at the time. By reviewing these records, you can quickly identify any discrepancies or trends in your financial dealings. Once you're in the History and Notes section, you'll notice that you have several options to filter your transactions. Understanding these filters can greatly enhance your efficiency. You can sort by date to find recent transactions, or search by specific terms to locate a particular entry. If there's a specific time frame or type of transaction you're interested in, the filtering options here let you tailor the information to meet your particular needs. As you sift through this information, remember that documentation is key in accounting. If you notice anything that seems off or an error, this is your opportunity to make corrections or contact the appropriate parties for clarification. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing your transaction history in Xero. If you follow these steps, you'll find that managing your transaction records becomes a much more streamlined and less daunting task. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to view your transaction history in Xero, and I hope you find managing your financial records more straightforward and effective with these tips.